Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 16, 2025, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong April 16, 2025, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas ang para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, April 16, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 16, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, April 16, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of April 16, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.